Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected my lovely brothers and sisters and audience, thank you very much for joining in this protest. I want to say that NRC, National Registration of Citizenship and Citizenship Amendment Bill and National Population of Register is behind our constitution. Our constitution has Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has written. But as we know that this constitution in this India says that all people who live in this country will not be discriminated on your basis of your identity, on your basis of your humanity, on your basis of your caste, on your basis of your birth, on your basis of your religion, on your basis of colonialism. But in this which discriminated things go somewhere, it's understood that this government is going to make a law, an anti-country law, that is a black law. When this law made in this country, but will be discriminated on your basis of your caste, on your basis of your humanity, on your basis of your religions, and on your basis of your colonialism. But I want to say that we want, please try to understand, we shouldn't allow this law to be made, and we won't allow this law, this constitution to be law. And we Muslims, the Narendra Modi ji, and I say all peoples and all public, I want to say that this is full responsibility, and it's my duty. Save our constitution and save India. This government is ending our constitution, but I request you, this is full responsibility, and this is it's my duty. Save our constitution, save India. And we Muslims took an active part but on this freedom fight. And today Hindustan has got independence only blood of Muslims. But how can you say that, Modi ji? How can you say that I am not citizen of this country? But how can you say that? We Muslims an active part on this freedom fight, and today Hindustan has got independence on the blood of Muslims. But how can you say that I am not citizen of this country? And Modi ji, this identity card made you a prime minister, but this identity card will not be citizenship proof in this country. Not, but this and I want to say that this country belongs to Mahatma Gandhi. This country belongs to APJ Abdul Kalam. This country belongs to Ashfaqullah Khan. This country belongs to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This country belongs to Bhagat Singh. But this country is not as like people as like Nathuram Godse. Not Nathuram Godse. I want to say that this government is ruining our constitution. This government is want to ruin our constitution, but I am not ending this constitution. The got GST implemented demonetization made them call it in the name of mosque and temple, and now this government wants to another country to be ruined by bringing NRC cap and NPR. But we all people do not let this country to be. I want to read Saidi. Are you ready for listening? कड़वा कसेला कर दिया माहौल मुल्क का, कड़वा कसेला कर दिया माहौल मुल्क का, नफरत का जहर दे दिया हर एक जबान को, नफरत का जहर दे दिया हर एक जबान को, कड़वा कसेला कर दिया माहौल मुल्क का, नफरत का जहर दे दिया हर एक जबान को, और लालच में राज बांट के इस चाय वाले ने बर्बाद करके रख दिया हिंदुस्तान को। ना हिंदू से, ना मुस्लिम से, ना सिख ईसाई से मतलब, ना हिंदू से, ना मुस्लिम से, ना सिख ईसाई से मतलब के खतरे में डालेंगे सभी के जान को एक दिन, के खतरे में डालेंगे सभी को जान के एक दिन, और सियासत कर रहे हैं फकत मजहब के आरिफ, और सियासत कर रहे हैं फकत मजहब के आरिफ, अपाहिज करके छोड़ेंगे वो हिंदुस्तान को एक दिन। Okay, keeping all these things in my mind, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you very much.